Helping others. Once there was a small boy named Shankar. He belonged to a poor family. One day, he was crossing through the forest, carrying some woods. He saw an old man who was very hungry. Shankar wanted to give him some food, but he did not have food for his own. So, he continued on his way. On his way he saw a deer, who was very thirsty. He wanted to give him some water, but he did not have water for himself. So he went on his way ahead. Then he saw a man who wanted to make a camp, but he did not have woods. Shankar asked his problem, and gave some woods to him. In return, he gave him some food and water. Now he went back to the old man, and gave him some food, and gave some water to the deer. The old man and the deer were very happy. Shankar then happily went on his way. However, one day Shankar fell down the hill. He was in pain, but he couldn't move, and no one was there to help him. But the old man, who he had helped before, saw him. He quickly came and pulled him up the hill. He had many wounds on his legs. The deer, whom Shankar had gave water, saw his wounds, and quickly went to forest, and brought some herbs. After some time, his wounds were covered. All were very happy that they were able to help each other. Moral of the story is, if you help others, then they will also help you. For more videos, subscribe and like my channel.